Hi there, my name is Doug Collins. I'm the creator of the Home Business Money Secrets course. What I wanted to do today was answer some of the most common questions around a home-based business, around income tax deduction, benefits, and all those types of things. So let's dive in and answer a couple of questions. What are some of the things people do not realize when it comes to home business and how to reduce our taxes? Well, I think the first of it all is the home business deductions that we get to take because we have a home-based business. Some of those are especially things that you're spending now. So whether you have a business or not, you already have either a mortgage, you have rent for your home, you have power and utilities, you have taxes. If you own your home, you're paying municipal taxes, provincial taxes or state taxes, land taxes, things like internet connection, your cell phone. If you have a cell phone, most people do. So all these things that if you have a home-based business, you get to write off all of it or portions of it. And if you don't have a business, you're spending that money anyways. So why not take advantage of the tax deductions that it provides you? So next question is, well, what are tax deductions and how does that work? So really, let's explain. If you work full-time, if you have a full-time employment, when you get paid, look at your pay stub, your employer withdraws taxes from your pay. So you have a gross pay, withdraw taxes, and you have a net pay. Those taxes are remitted by your employer to the government. So at the end of the year, your employer issues you a tax form, whatever country you're in, and you file your taxes. So based on the calculations for that year, the end taxes says that based on your income, how much taxes you're obligated to pay. So that matches up with the amounts that were withdrawn from your employer, and you either have a net zero, you still owe money to the government, or you have a refund. Most people either have a net zero or they still owe money. So in other words, their employers didn't take off enough taxes. Okay, so when you have a home-based business, you get to use some of these tax deductions, some of these tax savings to apply it against your full-time job. So that actually brings your taxable income down. So even though your employer is withdrawing this much taxes, at the end of the year, you get to apply those tax deductions to reduce that taxable income, therefore giving you a refund, potentially a refund. So in my case, when I was working full-time, every year I was owing $5,000 to the government, $5,000. So I had to write a check at the end of the year to pay an additional $5,000 in taxes. The first year I started my home-based business, I got a $6,600 refund. And nothing changed. All my expenses were the same. I was just now able to include a lot of these deductions to bring my full-time employment income, taxable income down. So there's all kinds of benefits. And inside my calculator that you can download on the link below, you can actually calculate your numbers working through these top-tier deductions that I've calculated and explained. You can actually calculate your number of your potential tax savings for this year. Okay? So download it now and check it out, and I hope you find this helpful. We'll see you again.